Det engelske språket har, I likhet med det norske, regler til hvordan det bygd opp. Disse reglene kaller vi grammatikk. Nå skal dere få en gjennomgang av regler og bruk av ordklassene nouns and articles. På norsk, substantiv og artikler. Heretter vil forklaringen for det meste komme på engelsk. Nouns, what are they? There are two categories, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns, that is every word you can put a or an in front of. Examples, a man, a girl, an apple. Then you have proper nouns, which are names of people, towns, countries, and nationalities. Sam, Vivian, etc. Nouns, how can you use them correctly in writing? For instance, to put them in plural. Let us look at the common nouns first. The main rule is to put an S in order to make a plural. Example, one song, two songs. Nouns that end in X, sh, ch, s, and z, you need to add an extra E in order to make it plural. Example, one church, two churches. One fish, two fishes. One fox, two foxes. Nouns that end in a Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel. You need to add an S to form the plural. And the letters that are vowels in English are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Example, a boy, two boys. A key, two keys. Here you can see that the letter before the Y is a vowel sound. And you only need to put an S to form the plural. When a noun ends in a Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, the Y is changed to an I and followed by ES. Examples, one lady, two ladies. One country, two countries. As you can see here, the letter before the Y is a consonant sound, D. Here, R. Then it changes to the E, the IES. Then you have nouns that end in an F or FE. It changed into VES in plural. Examples, one knife, two knives. One half, two halves. One wolf, two wolves. One shelf, two shelves. One life, two lives. Some nouns, they are irregular in the plural. You need to look those up in a dictionary and memorize them. Examples, one man, two men. One child, two children. One mouse, two mice. This we have in the Norwegian language as well. For example, en mann, flere menn. Et barn, flere barn. Some nouns are used only in the singular. They are uncountable. Examples of such nouns are the furniture, fruit, hair, meaning hairstyle. Some nouns are used only in the plural. Examples of those are clothes, cattle, police, stairs, wages. And some pronouns are also used only in the plural. Examples, jeans, glasses, scissors, pliers. Actually, all pronouns are used only in the plural form. If you want to refer to an exact number, you need to use a pair of or one pair of. Like in the following example, I have bought a pair of jeans, or I have bought 2 pairs of jeans. The second category of nouns are proper nouns, which I mentioned earlier. Now, how can you use them correctly? Proper nouns and nationalities, they are spelled with a capital letter in English. Examples: Sarah, Narvik, Sweden, Englishman, Norwegian. This is the same as in Norwegian, except for nationalities. We spell them with a small letter. We say en engelsk man, en nordman, en svenska. The indefinite articles are a or an, and they are used when referring to something unspecific. På norsk sier vi en bok, ei jente, et barn. In English, you use a in front of words that start with a consonant sound. Examples: a disease, a word, a yellow car, a useful task. Here you can see that the Y is a consonant in this case, because the sound is y, yellow. Then you use the A. You use an in front of words that start with a vowel sound. Examples: an interesting case, an image, an F. In this this sound, you can hear that the A sound, it comes in front of the F sound when referring to the letter F. That is why you put an in front of it. Then sometimes you need to refer to something specific. Then you use the definite article. The little word the. It is used when referring to a particular place, thing, or person. Examples: she missed the bus. The feeling she had was okay. Now, finally, I want to say something about common mistakes or mix-ups that students do. Many students use the apostrophe s instead of the plural s. The apostrophe s, this one, formed by the apostrophe sign and an s, refers to ownership in the singular. Example: Janet's dog, the car's engine, Eric's children. Sometimes you use the apostrophe after the s in the plural. Then you show ownership to a noun in the plural. Examples: the girls' team, the boys' room. Then you're referring to a team containing several girls and a room owned by 2 or more boys. Another common mistake could be that apostrophe is also used in contracted forms of the verb. Examples: in oral English we say it's a nice day, which actually in formal English should be written it is a nice day. The same, the man's smiling, which is actually in formal English the man is smiling. Then you have subject-verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject. This is called the subject-verb agreement. And a verb ends with an s or es when the subject is in the third person singular form, as in Tom talks to Mary. Tom is in the third singular form of the subject. Then you need to put an s to the verb. She washes her clothes. Here the verb ends with sh sound, then you need to put an e to it to make it correct. Now, this was Nouns and Articles. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.